My favorite part of this business isn't the money, it's this. I joined for the money, yes, but I stayed for something much better and bigger. When I first started, I just wanted to pay bills. I was in so much debt, burned out, and also scared. But something unexpected happened. I found peace, which I never expected. I work a couple hours a day. I walk my dogs, we play, we do a bunch of stuff. I enjoy coffee without guilt. I even help others get started now. And seeing them win, that's the best part. It's not just a business, it's a lifestyle. It's a purpose, and it's a legacy. You can build a life you love and still make a living. I have the passion for doing what I do now, a system that lets you get back your life on your terms. Yahoo! No overwhelm with training included. No tech or experience, no problem. It's beginner friendly. This is business in a box, already set up, just plug it in. If you can copy, paste, and post, you're already halfway there. You just need the right system. You have recurring bills. Why not have recurring income too? It's a heck of a lot better than the bills. Turn your cell phone into your money machine and start your journey. You scroll on social media, so why not convert that into earning monthly income from home or anywhere? Comment income if you're ready for more than just a paycheck. Or go to my site, visit it, and get your free guide. It's free to check and explore.